Conversation between two friends about rainy season. Hi, Susan.
Hi, Sarah.
Choo. Choo. Choo.
Why are you sneezing so much? Are you sick?
Yes. I have a bad headache. And I have got a cold. Stay away from me. Otherwise, you may get a cold.
How long have you been sick?
I have been sick since last night.
Did you take medicine?
Yes. I took medicine prescribed by my doctor.
Why did you get sick? What happened to you?
I got drenched in heavy rain when I was going to the supermarket to buy a few things.
Why didn't you take an umbrella with you?
When I left my house in the morning, the sky was clear and there were no clouds.
How did you save yourself?
When it started raining at first, I stood under a tree.
What happened next?
Then suddenly, it started raining heavily, and the clouds also started thundering. The wind started blowing too fast.
Why didn't you find any building for shelter?
There was no building. So, I could not save myself from heavy rain and wind.
Were you alone at that time?
Yes, I was all alone there.
What did you feel when you were alone at that time?
The clouds of thunder and the flash of light frightened me. I felt perhaps it was the last day of my life.
Then, what did you do?
I ran to my home without shopping
Why did you do this?
because I was completely drenched and I was shivering with cold. Due to fear, I could not think of any other way.
When did the rain and wind stop?
The rain and wind stopped after an hour.
When did you come back to your home?
I came back after 2 hours.
Why did you come so late?
The streets were full of rainy water. The water took some time to lower its level. When the floor of streets appeared again, then I was able to go home.
I am glad to know that you reached home safely.
But what were you doing yesterday?
I was reading a novel at my home when it was raining outside.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.